These look so good, y'all. Hey y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, what's up y'all? 2023, I want to expand my channel all around. I'm trying to be more consistent. So I'm a DIY girl. I love to do some DIY stuff. So today I'm going to show y'all how I put these Kiss press-on nails that I literally went all around the world to find. I'm gonna apply these. This isn't usually how I put my nails on. I haven't put press-on nails on since like middle school, when I wasn't even allowed to get my nails done yet. It's been that long since I put press-on nails, but I've seen these a couple of times and I wanted to try them. These are the Salon Acrylic, so they should be a little bit thicker than like those cheap ones that I used to put on back in the day. I got the natural and then I got the French tip. I originally wanted to go with the French tip, but I couldn't find them anywhere. So the first store I went to, I just got the natural, and then I went to Walgreens. Walgreens is always gonna have something in stock. If you ever fail, go to Walgreens. I don't know about CVS, but Walgreens is definitely gonna have their stuff in stock. Let's get into the video. I have a few things that I'm going to be using. I have some primer and I also have some dehydrator. These two are just like little preps that I usually do when I do want to go the full yard and apply the nails and take the UV light out with the gel polish. These are the steps that I do. I'm going to add them into my steps for the press-on nails to see if they last a little longer, because I want them to last a good bit, okay? This is what the package looks like. Once you pull the nails out the box, you will see this sample size glue that does come in handy. This little glue goes a long way, so you can be generous with the glue. Once you kind of open the box up a little bit more, you'll see the cuticle pusher and you'll see the nail filer. These also come in handy. I just wanted to show y'all how thick these nails are. These are some good quality nails. I'm just going in and measuring the nails to my nail bed, making sure that they cover my nail all the way. That is a very important part, because if they aren't covering your nails all the way, there's a chance that they're going to pop off. Now I'm just going to push my cuticles back, getting any dead skin that needs to be kind of filed off. And after I push my cuticles back, I'm going to go in with a nail file and buff off any shine that is on my nails. So this part isn't mandatory, but I like to just take the extra step. Now I'm just going to apply my dehydrator and primer. The dehydrator is just to get any extra oils that might be on your fingernail bed that could cause lifting. The primer is to just set your nails and prep your nails for the glue and the press-on application. Now that my fingernails are all prepped, it is time to apply these press-ons. So I just take the glue, and honestly right here, I didn't really know how much glue to apply, because like I said, it's been a while since I've had press-ons. So the first hand was kind of more like a trial and error. But I pretty much just try to cover the whole nail bed part of the press-on, so whenever I would apply it to my nails, it would kind of cover evenly. And then I will go in on the top of my nail bed and add a dot of glue. This wasn't my favorite technique, but it worked. I'm gonna show y'all which one is my favorite technique. Once I press down on the nail, I'm gonna make sure there's no air bubbles. But once you put this nail down, it is not coming up. And I hold the nail down for a good 30 seconds. I didn't show it on the video because I didn't want this video to be extra long. And then that is the finished result. It looks so good. So this next finger is where I kind of was like, let me try putting glue closer to my cuticle and covering this whole nail with glue. And I was a little bit more generous with covering the nail, and honestly this was the best technique for me. It didn't have any type of lifting around the cuticle area, so this is what I kept doing throughout the rest of my nails. Everything was going so well, and this pinky started giving me a little problems. I had a little bit of lifting. I don't know if y'all can really see it right there on the cuticle line. So I tried to go in and put a little bit of glue right there. I'd rather have a little bit of glue on my skin and be able to clean it up. Like you see, I just take the cuticle pusher and just get any excess glue. But over time that glue does come off with just normal washing your hands and stuff. So it's nothing to be worried about. Now as you see, I'm just filing them and buffing them out on the tips, on the edges, so they won't snag on anything. And then I'm going to go in with my Bliss Kiss cuticle oil and just go around my cuticles so they won't be looking dry and crusty, and they'll look like I really came from the salon. And that's it, y'all. I hope that this could help. I hope this can help anybody who is thinking about trying them. Just try them. They're really cheap, so if you mess up, it's okay. You can try it again. I don't know, y'all. These look legit, like official. Like I went to the salon and got my nails done. Like, so on the first hand, I was kind of getting the hang of it. I was pretty much trying to see how much glue to put on my nails, and I do have a little bit of air bubbles in some of the nails. I don't know if you can see, but this hand, I did this hand perfect. Like, you can't tell me I didn't pay $60 for my nails to get done. They cover my full nail. They have a little apex to them. Like, these are definitely gonna be my new go-to. Like, I'm stacking up. Now I'm just gonna see how long they're going to last, especially when it's time to do my hair, because I use a lot of oils and washing and all that good stuff. So now I'm really gonna be talking with my hands. I already talked with them enough, but now it's like a whole new level. All right, y'all, I'm done with y'all. I'm done playing with y'all. So that is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell on so you know when I upload, and I'll see you next time. Bye.